Everyone, welcome back to Pine Hollow Auto Diagnostics. Beautiful day, we got a van party going on. The MPV and the Silhouette. Face off. On the Oldsmobile, we're getting down to little nice details here. What is 0C? It's definitely a lot hotter than 0C outside. It should say about 30. What's the problem? Ambient air temperature sensor. Diagnosis couldn't be any easier. Found the thing. Sits right up here by the headlight. And it's busted. Open circuit. Wah, wah, wah. Courtesy of eBay, we sourced a genuine GM sensor. It was like, 25 bucks, as is most everything for this car. Here it is. That's what it's supposed to look like. There's the whole piece, and comes with the bracket. All we gotta do is unscrew the old bracket and pop this guy in. Easy enough. Actually, we're gonna take the path of least resistance. The bracket comes off super easy. It just kind of slides off like that. So we're gonna slide the sensor onto the old bracket. Nothing's wrong with the bracket there. So just plug and play. There's that guy. You better fit. There we go. Now, piece of cake. Let's see if our temperature reading is back to normal. Let's see here. Key on. Oh yeah, there it is, 34C, and we can go to metric, 94. It's been sitting in the sun. Our compass is good. Awesome. Hey, one less thing on the to-do list. Getting better all the time. All right, speaker time. I already did one. Here's what the old one sounds like. A little too much treble, not enough bass. New one, not bad. These are Pioneer budget version. The brackets actually fit perfect. So, the original speaker is obviously made for the car, so the bracket, you don't need an adapter bracket. But for these guys, the new speaker comes with a little plastic insert. So we don't need this. Here's the speaker itself. So the speaker attaches to the bracket with little screws, and then the bracket attaches to the vehicle. And the crutchfield.com, that's where I get my audio equipment, and they always send the right adapter harnesses, so plug and play. The rear ones I ordered 5 1/4, they're actually 6 1/2, so I'll have to send them back, put those in. But alright, we're getting some music in here. Awesome. 80s and 90s only, of course. Alright, both front speakers are in. Awesome. Alright. Little bonus footage. People are complaining that they weren't getting bonus footage, so there you go. How about the little defroster vent in there? And this little guy, they just pop in and they're held in place by this soft touch dash. When was the last time you saw a soft touch dashboard? All this material is nice and soft, so if you don't have airbags and you slam your head into this, at least you won't get like plastic shards in your face. I don't know. But hey, final check of the stereo. Not bad. And those are just the fronts. Once we get the rears in, we'll be even better. Hey, 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 we got some speakers for the rear, finally. So, the fronts work great. It's got pop in the rears. I already fitted them. This should be plug and play. All we need is a screwdriver. I got some basic Kenwoods. 6.5 inch. And they fit perfectly with no kinds of adapters or anything into the existing mounting holes. All we need is the little harnesses, and they sent the right ones. That guy, Metra. It says fits Eagle Jeep, but hey, this is an Oldsmobile. These definitely will work. So let's pop them in. So the little harness plugs right in here. Boom. Plug it right into the speaker. Go. Beautiful. I watched a documentary last night. It's called Factories. Chinese auto glass manufacturer came over to Dayton, Ohio, and took over one of the abandoned GM plants, made a factory there, and it was just fascinating to see the difference in cultures, you know, the Chinese versus the Americans, like the unions and work ethic and all that good stuff. So highly recommend it. Take care of the other one, and we'll turn the stereo on and see how it sounds. Alright, let's give it a whirl. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Front and back. Sweet. Well, now we at least have radio and a slow cassette player, but for this vintage, that's as far as we're gonna go with the audio. So, see you guys on the next one. We'll just keep driving it.